Hi guys, Ollie from the boat tour, back again with another video. So today we're in Marsa, brand new beautiful marina with this amazing Princess X95 from 2022. We give you a quick look on the outside, inside, and you can have a look at the details like this amazing beach club that the owner has chosen. Also have this hydraulic platform, so you can have your tender on here, your jet ski. This will go all the way into the water for easy access for launching, or if you just want to go swimming, a lot easier as well. So let's have a look around the boat and you can tell me what you think in the comments. Walking up here from the bathing platform, you've got access from both sides, starboard and port, really wide stairs, so nice and easy to get up. U-shaped fixed seating with these two removable chairs. Also got a removable centerpiece, make it easier to get in and out. Huge access into the saloon. You've got 3 folding doors, sliding doors, so they'll go all the way in and really open this space, the saloon and the cockpit, into one. Access to the top deck here, and also on the port side, and then a nice walkway down the starboard side. But let's take you in and have a look at the saloon. Come in through the cockpit here. Again, we've got another 3 sliding doors that opens this whole area, so when the weather's perfect you can have that all the way open and walk straight from the saloon straight into the cockpit. Massive U-shaped seating here with nice coffee tables on the side, storage behind, GCC, air conditioning throughout the boat as well, so nice and cool through the day. This side, retractable TV, more storage, and both sides we have these huge windows. So these are from the roof down to the desk, but then next to you, you've got from the roof down to the floor. Amazing views, really opens the boat out and makes it look and feel a lot bigger than it is. Electric blinds as well, so just with the touch of the button, they will come. All the blinds come down at the same time. Really nice dining table with these chairs. And then from forward here, we've got one of the VIP cabins. We've got a day head, downstairs into the accommodation, galley behind you, and then we have the stairs up to the top deck as well. Let's go and have a look at that. Coming up here into this top deck, you can see here we've got the Helm station. Amazing table here. We've got all the Ray Marine screens. We can see everything here. We've got CCTV at the back when you're reversing. We've got the radar here, the charts, and then obviously your controls, your bow stern thrusters, your flare. So this is really a full spec boat for navigation. You've got the access to the sides here, and then down below you also have a docking station as well. This whole area can either be closed off or if you want the captain separate, or if you want to open as well, you can have it as it is now. Storage, fridges, drinks fridges here, really nice settee, low level lighting, big retractable LCD plasma, and this amazing huge sunroof here that has an electric closing shutter, so if you want the sun you can have it like this, or with a click of a button that whole thing will close and keep it nice and cool in here. Amazing access straight out here onto the main aft deck. Still up here on the main deck, this amazing sliding door. This will open all the way, so you've got 3 sections of there. You can walk around, you've got the huge fixed table, really nice for meetings, dining, just socialising. and here we have two others, massive sofas. So these are movable, so you can switch them around depending on where you're anchored, where you want to sit. Sun lounges here as well, so you can do anything you want with this space. You can change the way that they sit. You can also put more seating up here, less seating, whatever will suit you. This side, you've got a double grill in here. So really good if you're socialising upstairs and you don't want to keep going up and down for food, and the fridge down below as well. Let's have a look at the bow. So we're coming down the starboard walkway here. You've got the entrance here to the helm. Further on, we've got a massive sunbed and sun deck here with more seating. You've got the sound system. This is a good place to chill out, sunset, or at any point as well when the boat is underway. And then further down here, you have another bench seats and access to the windlass and the anchors. Let's have a look at the VIP on the main deck here. So when I first came on this boat, I thought it was the master cabin because it's so big. But the master cabin is downstairs. You can see how spacious this is. You've got automatic blinds, blackout blinds here, so this all closes off when you want to go to bed. Retractable TV here, lots of storage, lots of space. And then over here, we'll take you, this is where the ensuite is. Walking through the VIP guest cabin here, go around the bed, past the desk, onto the port side, and we've got the ensuite. So his and hers sinks. Behind there you've got the heads, so separated by a door, and then we'll spin you around to show you the shower. Here we have the ensuite shower, completely separate with a glass door, lots of space for your toiletries. Got the rainfall shower head here, and then the normal shower head there. Lovely view, fully tinted so nobody can see in, and then the opening porthole for ventilation in there as well. Coming down into the lower accommodation, down those really nice stairs, nice handrail. As you can see, carpet's like new. Another guest suite. So this is in the bow. We've got a huge double bed here, another TV, storage, ambient lighting, again electric blinds up and down. If we take you around this corner, we'll be able to see the heads. So completely separate shower again, toilet, sink, a really nice space, nice and big as well, not too cramped. And then on the other side, on the port side, we've got a huge wardrobe. You can even call it a walk-in wardrobe, so lots of hanging space, shelves, and lots of areas to keep your shoes, clothes, and the accessories there as well. Show you two other guest cabins here. Got identical port and starboard. There are single berths there, twin single berths that slide together to make a huge double. And then if you didn't want the double, they will just slide straight over to the other side. More cupboards, another wardrobe and TV, and each of these cabins has an ensuite with a shower and heads. Finally, we'll show you the owner's cabin. So this is a 5-cabin boat. We've got 4 down here and then 1 upstairs as well. As you can tell with the owner's cabin, very spacious, really nice settee here on the port side. We've got the heads in here, which is full up to about here as well, so we'll show you that. And then on the starboard side, you've got a really nice dressing table or a desk, walk-in wardrobe, these huge windows both sides, nice Samsung flat TV, and everything that you could want in a cabin. So here we are at the end of the tour of this Princess X95 built in 2022. So this particular boat is for sale with Bush & Noble. So if you have any questions or would like to view it, you can contact them directly. Thank you very much for viewing. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.